Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome to my channel 5 Subject Scholar. Dear students, in this video we will solve all the multiple choice questions from 1 to 13.
I'm a scholar of 5, with knowledge so bright, English, maths, physics, chemistry, and biology in sight. I break down the concepts with ease and with flair, making learning fun without a single care. 5 subjects, 1 goal, to learn and to grow. I'm the 5 subject scholar, let the knowledge show. From equations to atoms, to cells and more, I'll guide you through like never before. English grammar rules, maths problems solved, physics laws explained, chemistry reactions involved, biology secrets revealed with diagrams so fine. I'll help you understand and make it all mine. 5 subjects, 1 goal, to learn and to grow. I'm the 5 subject scholar, let the knowledge show. From equations to atoms, to cells and more, I'll guide you through like never before. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. Get notified of new videos and learn well. Ask me your questions and I'll do my best to help you succeed.